You know, I look like I'm crazy with this hair, mate. What the hell's going on?
Salut people, this video is going to be a little bit different. So, it's day one of the Legendary Marketer 15-day challenge. And what the challenge you need to do, for 15 days, you're going to consistently try and achieve your goals. So you're going to stay focused, you're going to go onto the platform every day and do whatever it is they have assigned for you to do. So the first day, pretty good. Some useful videos and information on there. So yeah, let's just see what day 2 has to offer. Subscribe to the channel. I'm going to do a lot more videos, LM, Legendary Marketer, just a whole lot of other stuff. See all my socials below. I teach you a lot of stuff, how to make money online. Yeah, let's just make some money. I'll also be getting a haircut, so I'll be making all these videos looking like I've just come out of Tarzan or something like that. So yeah, just follow my socials. I'll teach you guys a lot. Just come on this journey and learn to make some more money. And yeah, that's it.